Hey guys, today we are doing some TXT. I am Eileen, 42 years old from the US Virgin Islands, and I am a K-pop fan. So we're doing relay dance today, which is like my favorite thing when they come to K-pop. I like the ingenuity, the creativity that it takes to do a relay dance, personality showing. That's one of the things I really like about relay dance. For those of you who don't know, in TXT, my bias is Mr. Yeonjun. And I like this song a lot. I've heard it, I don't know, about 20 times. I reacted to it yesterday, and I've been listening to it all today. So I've heard it about 20 times, and I've watched about 10 different reaction videos to it. So let's say I heard it more like 30 times already for today. And the more I hear it, the more I like it. And the video was just really beautiful to watch. And now we're gonna enjoy this relay dance. We don't need to say much else. Let's just get into it. If you enjoyed this reaction, please take the time to like, comment, subscribe. If there's anything that you would like me to react to, please let me know. I'm always up to learning about new groups. Right now I'm in the process of learning about Treasure and Newest. I've been watching all of their videos and learning the people and their names and trying to learn about their personality. So I'm always up for learning about a new group. I just can't decide who I want to look at next. So if you have a suggestion, please let me know. Let's get into this. Those suits look nice. Yeah, Julie. I need to add like Bumgyu. I miss Bumgyu and his long hair. I love that long hair on him so much. It was my favorite look. But this red hair is working for him. It really is. And I also wanted to mention Yeonjun is my bias. But in these suits right here right now, Subin wears it so well. Like it just matches him. And probably Taeyong, I would say, is the second person that wears it super well. Everybody looks good, don't get me wrong. But like it just fits Subin and then Taeyong. But yeah, Bumgyu, that red hair, that's nice. It looks really good. Another interesting thing about relay is I was watching the people in the back and what they're doing because they're always doing some weird stuff. That's when he was looking back at Yeonjun. I think it's always fun when other people do other people's voices, especially the rapping.
I like them back.
Like when somebody does somebody else's part, especially with the rapper is always like tickled and excited about seeing somebody else do their part. Annyeong. That's it. No deleted scenes? No. Too bad. But yeah, that was good. Like I said, the boys look so good in their suits. And like I said, when it comes to relay, I always like relay dancing because you always get to see the people's personality when they kind of like breaking character and giggling and laughing and doing foolish things. Especially the people in the back, after they go in the back, they're always doing something weird and goofy. And I actually just enjoy that. And it's like the playfulness of a relay dance. Yeah, and even if they're not being playful, I like the inventive ways they get to show the choreography, you know. But that was enjoyable. I always enjoy a good relay dance. Sometimes I'm at home and I decide to watch a relay dance, and then I'll just get trapped and I'll end up watching like 20, 30 relay dances back to back for no reason whatsoever, other than the fact that I enjoy watching them. But yeah, I also have to be careful when it comes to things like that. And it's not just in relay dance, just different things. Sometimes I just get trapped in a cycle of watching one thing, and even like sometimes reactors. I am subscribed to a lot of reactors, but even people who I'm not subscribed to, sometimes I watch their reaction video and I enjoy their reaction so much that I end up going to their channel and I watch like 20, 30 reaction just back to back, and then I end up subscribing. I'm literally subscribed to like, I don't know, I'm pretty sure more than 30, more than 40 reactors. I'm subscribed to a lot of people. And which is why you should subscribe to my channel. I should be one more person added on to your subscription list. Wouldn't that be nice? But anyway, guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for joining me today on this wonderful journey of K-pop enjoyment. But that will be it for today. Once again, if you like this video, please take the time, like, comment, let me know what else you want to see. What else would you like me to react to? I'm always trying to discover new things, and your recommendation would help me in figuring out what to do next. So please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. That's it for today. Bye.